should Yashaswini date a guy who still follows all his exes on Instagram?
No.
No.
No. Sorry, I didn't let you complete your question. That's how strongly I feel about it.
No.
All of his full stop. He shouldn't follow anybody else.
Should he follow? No.
Princess.
Okay, Yashaswini, should Aisha date somebody who decides to keep it a secret?
No.
Yeah, no. Please don't let me.
No.
Don't let me at all.
No, that's never. Very rarely that's out of something like a good reason. Most of the times it's just a sign of.
Why you have to hide? Yeah.
गड़बड़ है.
Yeah.
Aisha, should Barkha date somebody who doesn't get along with her best friends?
I think that's a overtime building thing. Like if
Okay.
it's okay, like I feel like it's something that can be built on. Like that's fine. Let's not be that hard on
Yeah.
it. Like it's
Yeah. Okay, nice. Coming back to you, Barkha. Should she date somebody who insists on splitting the bill exactly to the last rupee?
I mean, splitting the being so
Like being so कि like एक रुपए का भी ऐसा हिसाब.
I want to say it's okay,
No.
but no, that's what I'm saying. Like if I'm okay with equal. Like sometimes you pay, sometimes I'll pay. I'll pay 10,000 extra. All that is fine. But ekdam hisab, that's like a little it's little off-putting for a girl or a guy.
yeah, right. Can't even be friends with someone like that.
Yeah, you can't be fully like only you do or like
Exact.
that's not
50
sustainable.
rupees. Yeah.
Not
Okay.
sustainable.
Yeah.
Should she date someone whose dating bio reads still figuring my relationship type?
Depends on what phase she's in.
Yeah, if
What
I'm
if
also
she's the
figuring.
one- She's just not put it in her bio.
Okay.
Yeah, depends on where she is.
Okay. You agree?
Yeah, fair.
ठीक है. Should she date someone who believes, I love this. Should she date someone who believes in equality but not feminism?
नहीं मतलब वो तो फिर then he's being an asshole on purpose because like you're just trying to portray that I don't believe in feminism but you're still a good guy so then that's not like
Yeah, but isn't feminism equality?
But नहीं
but that
समझते ना
only ना,
लोग
मतलब-
बरखा like feminism has become such a गाली now like oh तुम वो feminist types हो क्या?
Feminism
Like,
is equality
feminist.
with the vantage point of जो oppressed है उसको ऊपर लाओ. Equality की बात हो रही है but by the focus of bringing somebody up. But people take feminism as लड़कियों को
Male
ये भी
bash-
करना और वो भी
No,
करना.
also
male
feminism
bashing.
is male bashing.
So
Yeah.
that's why they're like, no, we are about equality, not about feminism because it's just
Yeah, then that guy is just ill-informed.
yeah. For that sake, yeah.
Okay. Should she date someone who sends reels constantly but replies to texts slowly?
Again, there's some people who just respond. No, but actually, if you're dating him, no, he should respond to you
Yeah.
within 10 minutes.
Yeah.
That's also a stretch. But
10 is also a stretch but yeah, I think
Yeah,
it's
10.
good. Yeah.
Okay. Should she date?
I mean, in the context that he's sending me reels, so he's on his phone, so why would he not?
Yeah. Correct. Okay. Now this is thoda sa fun. Should she date someone who wears sunglasses indoors? मतलब at night.
For my entertainment, yes. I would love that.
Yeah. See, some people have light sensitivity to their eyes. So they have.
Aisha, it looks like a been there, done that situation.
I am there, I am doing it. This situation.
Oh, yes.
Okay, तब तो कुछ नहीं कह सकते. Should she date someone who keeps bringing up his ex in the conversation?
Of course not.
Yeah,
Ex
thanks,
so is
no.
dead. Who ex?
yeah.
Ex died, they become exes. Same for me also, but
Yeah. Okay. Should she date someone who has a private Snapchat that, she's not allowed to see?
Not allowed to see, no.
Like, नहीं देख सकते.
No.
Should she date someone who tries to psychoanalyze her on the first date? Like, कुछ लोग होते हैं who try to get in the mind and start reading the mind immediately.
Aisha only will not have the patience. Yeah. She will zone out and walk away. So it won't get there. It won't go that far.
Okay, and last one, Aisha, for Barkha. Should Barkha date someone who says gymming is better than therapy?
no, but I again feel like it's a journey. which people
Yeah.
have to go through. Matlab, it is, I feel like I don't want to put a hard no, because then Barkha, or like, I mean, again, I know it is not the girl's responsibility to fix a boy's life, but I do feel like if there is someone who's good in every way, and they have this thinking, it's not a morally wrong thing. I think it's a mindset that you
Yeah.
can sort of change.
There are bigger problems too.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Can't be
yeah.
that bilateral. ki
Yeah.
Yes or no. and,
Yeah,
हाँ.
Yeah.
That philosophy needs to be unraveled more
But what
and
if
then
वो
determine.
इतना ओपन ही नहीं है, उसे लगता है कि थेरेपी इज लाइक बेकार, लाइक यार बॉयज क्या पॉइंट है थेरेपी करने का, जिम करो लाइक
हाँ, नहीं, ऐसे होगा तो
हाँ,
obviously
ये
no.
चीजें
हाँ,
मतलब
like,
लोगों को
gym
भी
bro
feel
है वो.
करेंगे.
हाँ.
नो ओके ऑलराइट
Pari wanted to know basically.
I wanted to like, no.
Yes.
Would you rather? Would you let her date somebody like that?
No.
No.
But also that I've come across like people who are on a solid no for themselves for therapy, but they're like, you want to do it, it's okay. Those people, I'm like, it's okay. You're only ruining your headspace.
yeah.
Eventually, you will come around to it. So that's, I think,
yeah, I mean it's not working out for somebody is different, but them being so like नहीं हम लड़के हैं, हमको थेरेपी की जरूरत नहीं, that
I think
is a
anyone
little-
being that rigid about anything is a no.
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
it is a no. Okay.
हमारी तरफ से ना है.
हाँ, आपकी कड़ी कमजोर है, हम जा सकते हैं.
Okay. I just want to end on a very nice, wholesome note, which is, tell me, what do these girls add to your life? Tell me, what does Yashaswini and Aisha add to your life?
I think Aisha, I know, adds like a whole lot of
Trauma.
also known as honesty. I don't know, like I feel and honestly, we've also never spoken about this, but what I've really learned from Aisha is that it's okay to share your insecurities. It's okay to discuss things that are bothering you, as you also mentioned earlier. If you're feeling something towards someone, it's okay to talk to them. It might not be an easy conversation, but it's okay to be that person in like to just bring things up and to just own what you're feeling as opposed to keeping it in. And I think from Yashu's this thing, what she brings to my life is this level of
I want to know.
no, just this, like I think being mindful of what you're saying to the person, like being more considerate, being a little more sensitive and sensible about things. That's what like I've learned from you.
Yashu, coming
I
to
hate
you.
being the first person to answer.
Very well.
Yeah. I had tears there.
Yeah.
Good job.
बताओ बरखा के लिए और आयशा के लिए.
Having known her for such through such different eyes of my own, I really appreciate how she holds her own. She's gone through some very different experiences. She's done whatever she's needed to do to approach this one dream of hers. So she's done all kinds of work that you can think of in a very good way. That sounds very wrong. Let me rephrase. Let me rephrase.
No, it doesn't, because that also being able to put yourself out there and not being stuck to your own version of yourself
Is what I meant.
takes
That
a lot. Yeah.
It's about what she expects out of herself and what she expects from people for that dream, and how to approach that with utmost assertion and confidence. Just like good bossy pants.
We're hearing this a lot about you. Like, good bossy.
Good bossy pants.
Good bossy
Yeah.
man. Okay.
And from Aisha, again, very similar to what Barkha said, she's very confident about her vulnerability, and she doesn't realize it most of the times. And it's a very rare quality, and it's something that can either create relationships or completely disintegrate them. And irrespective of that risk factor, it's extremely special. And she's very sensitive, and she helps me feel very just like good and normal in life.
Oh,
Yeah.
good and normal in life. That's
Yeah.
so cute. Aisha, finally, you have the last word.
I
She's
think,
teared up again.
Yeah.
Are you gonna get your period?
Yes, I am.
Yeah,
4 days.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude. If a guy would have said this.
Yeah. Yeah.
God bless him.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's an unsaid rule, right? Like
Yeah.
girls can say it to each other. I don't know.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, right?
Bilkul.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
not a problematic.
Yeah, no, not at
Yeah.
all.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, because y'all know.
Yeah.
You know, like, anywho. So with Barkha, like, I feel like what I really like about her is that as much as she jumps to conclusions exactly like me, but she has a very, like, correct way of going about things, you know. Like like Yashaswini said, I'm emotional, so I have a very emotional approach to if I find out something, I'm like, oh my god, this is happening. And Barkha's like, okay, this is happening, but let's see how to like go about it. So like, I mean, I'm also talking about one incident and not like generalizing everything, but also there is brain which is in work, you know, like
There
it's
is
not
brain.
there is brain. I don't know how else to say it. Like, she's a smart girl, which I really, really like. You know, she can put her emotions aside and be like, okay, no, let's practically look at how things are, which I really, really like. And with Yashaswini, like, she has seen some really ugly side of me, of like saying bad things about a lot of people, and then suddenly on the second day I'm best friends with them. Like, I'm that person. Like, you know, if someone's mean to me, they're the worst person in the world. But if suddenly they're nice, they'll smile at me and I'll be like, oh, you're so nice. You know, she gets to see the back end of it, but still never judges me. She'll never be like, oh, yesterday you hated this person and today you're best friends with them, which is very normal for someone to say. But she's over the years realized that this is how I am. So initially she'd be like, oh, that's very mean. Then the next day she'd be like, oh, they're friends now. So, you know, like, she's seen that without judging me. So I think that's very important.
Yeah.
Oh, what a fun exercise this was.
Cute only.
Yeah, I never said this otherwise.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.